How to fix earphone and headphones not working on your Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your earphones or headphones not working on your Windows. So let's get started. First, search for settings and open up your settings. After you open your settings, go to the systems right here, and after you're on systems, scroll down till you find about section. Tap on about. After you tap on about, you will see advanced system settings right here. You'll need to open the advanced system settings. Now under there, you will see the advanced settings right here again. You can go to the computer name, hardware, devices. Now tap on hardware manager. Now let's minimize that for now and go to device installation. Now under this, what you need to do is if it's on no, keep it that way. If it's on yes, change it to yes. Change it to no and then save changes. Now after you do so, you can simply tap on apply and tap on OK. Now after you've done that, go to your device manager that we opened earlier, and after you're there, scroll down till you find sound, video and games controller. Tap on it and expand it. Now, okay, that's the processor. Go to the sound, video and games controller. Now right under here, you will see all of your devices that you have connected till now. Now under there, you can simply go to whichever you want. Go to the one that is your headphones or earphones. Now this is my headphone, so let me just do this right here. And after you click on it, you will see the update driver option. Go to driver. You can simply update the driver. Tap on update and you can simply browse for the update and update it. After you do that, simply hit on OK, and yeah, that is basically how you can fix the problem. Now your devices should be working just fine. Your microphone, your headphones and earphones should be working just fine. And yeah, that is all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.